Namaste, and welcome back to Ajayastro Guru. I am Neena, and today we are diving into the latest market trends for two key commodities, small cardamom and turmeric. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about small cardamom. We've seen prices under pressure, trading in a tight range of 2,700 rupees to 2,900 rupees per kilogram over the past 8 to 10 trading sessions. This persistent range is primarily due to sluggish demand, which is offsetting the impact of reduced arrivals. Looking at today's figures, the average price per kilogram settled between 2,751 rupees and 2,813 rupees. This is slightly lower than the previous session. The highest auction price also saw a decrease, falling to 3,007 rupees per kilogram. This reflects a noticeable dip in buying interest. Now, let's examine the supply side. Arrivals have decreased to 57,866 kilograms, down from 61,966 kilograms in the previous session. We've also seen a significant drop compared to last week's figures. Offtake was recorded at 54,890 kilograms, compared to 58,474 kilograms previously. However, the offtake percentage did see a slight increase, reaching 94.9%. Regarding grade-specific rates, they have remained relatively stable after 2 weeks of consistent pricing. The 7mm grades are currently quoted at 2,760 rupees to 2,900 rupees per kilogram, while the 7 to 8mm grades are fetching 3,000 rupees to 3,200 rupees per kilogram. Premium 8mm and above grades are priced between 3,240 rupees and 3,360 rupees per kilogram. Moving on to turmeric, we've observed a weakening trend in spot market prices. Prices have declined by 100 rupees to 200 rupees per quintal in key markets. This decline is attributed to increased arrivals and subdued demand from both stockists and end users. Market estimates suggest a 30% surge in turmeric output, potentially reaching around 11.5 lakh tons. This increase is driven by higher acreage and improved yields. Although there have been reports of localized crop damage in Karnataka and Maharashtra, strong yields in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are expected to compensate for these losses, ensuring ample supply. Now, let's take a look at the NCDEX futures market. Tracking these weak fundamental factors, turmeric futures have extended their losses. The April contract closed at 12,180 rupees per quintal, down 112 rupees, after touching a low of 12,150 rupees. The May contract also saw a decline, dropping 144 rupees to 12,016 rupees, with trading between 12,002 rupees and 12,192 rupees. In terms of open interest, the April contract saw a decrease of 20 lots, indicating long unwinding. Conversely, the May contract saw an increase of 70 lots, reflecting fresh short positions. That's your market update for today. Remember, these are just market observations, and always do your own research before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching Ajayastro Guru. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay tuned for our next analysis. Dhanyavad.